Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a Binance API key. To get a Binance API key, you will need to create one through your Binance account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to binance.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the profile icon. Here you can see your account option. Click on it. Then, under the account section, you can see API management option. Click on it and click on Create API button. After that, click on System Generated button and click on Next. Here, you need to label your API key to proceed. Type any name here and click on Next button. Make sure that you are verified. After that, you can see a security verification pop up like this. You need to enter the email verification code, which is in your email address, and type in your authenticator code in this field here and click on Submit button. After that, your API key will be generated. You can click on copy link here to copy your API key, and you can also copy your secret key. After that, you can click on Save button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will see another pop-up like this which says permission expired. Trading permissions are only activated for 90 days without trusted IPs set for this API key. You can reactivate after the expiration. Then click on Confirm button. After confirming that, you need to again type your authenticator code in this field. After typing it, click on Submit button. So that is how you can create your Binance API key. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.